Hi everyone, and today we are making an omelette using the air fryer. As always, I'm using my Ninja Foodi 8-quart multi-cooker, but you can use any air fryer that you own. And for this recipe, we are going to be using a small onion. I just cut up a quarter of an onion. You can also use a scallion or spring onion, some bacon, shredded cheese, heavy cream, eggs, salt and pepper, and a small bunch of chives. As with most omelettes, you can mix up the ingredients, use your favorite ingredients such as ham and cheese, tomato and mozzarella. You want to start by dicing the onion and the chives. So I'm just going to cut up the chives, and in this case you can also use other types of fresh herbs that you prefer, such as thyme. Just feel free to use your imagination. So next you just want to whisk in the eggs with salt, and I always like to add the black pepper later, and the reason being that black pepper sort of settles at the bottom of the bowl and doesn't properly mix in with the eggs, and it also tends to make the omelette look dark or not so pleasant. So it's better to just sprinkle it on top or add it later once the omelette is setting. Salt, and I'm just going to whisk this using a fork. So next you want to fry the bacon. I'm going to be using 4 rashers, but you can cook as many as you prefer. I'm using the pot that comes with my Ninja Foodi, but you can also fry them on the stove top or use an air frying rack. Most important, we are starting them off on a cold pot. You always want to start bacon on a cold pot or pan and cook under a low and steady heat. You want to use a pair of tongs to check on them and flip from time to time. As you can see, I did not add any oil. The bacon rashers are releasing their own fat. You can cook them as light or as dark as you prefer. So next you just want to fry the onions. So you just want to fry them until it's slightly translucent and fragrant. This looks good. We can set it aside. So next you just want to add in the chives. You can add as much or as little as you like. I always like to reserve some for garnishing later. The fried onion and the heavy whipping cream. We're just going to give this a good whisk, and then it's ready to air fry. Next you want to grease your pan with some butter or cooking spray. I'm using an air frying pan that I bought online, but you can also make an omelette without a special pan by using a regular cake tin. So the final thing you want to do is to cut up your butter into small pieces, and you're just going to add this to the egg immediately before cooking. One final mix, and then we're going to pour this into the air fryer pan or cake tin. My tin is 20 centimeters in diameter, so that's about 8 inches, and yeah, voila. Here's a useful tip. If you're making your omelette without an air frying pan, you want to make a sling using aluminum foil to help you lower the cake pan into the air fryer. I'll just show you quickly. So the aluminum foil should be slightly longer in diameter than the cake pan, and you just want to fold it to a sling. So we're just going to air fry this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 160 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. And then you just want to add the shredded or grated cheese halfway through cooking. You can add the bacon pieces as they are whole or just cut them up. I like to cut mine into smaller pieces. So once done, you can top it again with some chopped chives and then carefully lift the pan or cake tin from the air fryer. I'm just going to use the slings that we previously made to get it out, and as you can see, it looks really beautiful. It has a nice golden color. And then to serve, you just want to use a spoon or a spatula to transfer the omelette from the pan into a plate.